So everyone, today we are headed towards Auroville, and we just parked our car over there, and it's like a 300-meter walk to the main center, which looks about like this. And it's 50 years of Auroville, and this is an experimental township where I told you all that about people from 50 countries stay in unity, and it's based on the ideology of Sri Aurobindo, who was a very influential person in building this area. It's a large area where people work together, and they have their own shops. They sell candles and soaps and other stuff like clothing, and it's a very cool place. So let's head towards the main center, guys. I'll show you everything from here. They have art galleries also around here, and you can see it's all green. This 300-meter walk it's amazing to reach there. So let's go, guys. So this room was just about to tell us that how Auroville was founded, what it does, the motives and the ideologies, everything. And you even saw a 3D model of the main mandir, which is in the center, where we have to go from there, buy a ticket, and we'll be going inside. And so let's go, and all the information about this place I will let you know in the full vlog, so stay tuned for everything. It's going to be a great vlog, guys. So we just got our free ticket which takes us to the mandir viewing point, and we are headed there. I wanted to tell you guys, this is like a very cool town. Like this Auroville is spread around 20 square kilometers, where 2,800 people, residents from 55 countries stay. And this was founded on 28th February 1968. So in 2018 it was 50 years to Auroville, and this place is very well known for all the people living in unity. And I think the ideology of the founders of this place was that they wished that the full world would function like this, in unity, so that the world would prosper. Unfortunately, this town is just 20 square kilometers and not the full world. But let's go, guys. Let's know more about this place together. So headed toward the mandir, guys. See you there. So from the visitor center, guys, it's about a 20-minute walk. Our ticket just got checked, and you can see, we are 3 people: me, mom, dad. It's a free pass, and we are headed. You see many buildings. I think they are art galleries and beautiful gardens where you can sit. People are here. Luckily it's not raining, otherwise it would be a big mess. But yeah, reaching the mandir, it's about 20-minute walk, as I told you all, but I'm sure it would be worth it, because I know the structure is very well known around the world, and I had been to some places in the foreign countries. Many people know India just because of this place, is what I've known. And like my tour guide in Russia also told me he wanted to come to Pondicherry to visit this place. A unique thing, guys. I'm sure if people would come here alone, and if they didn't keep locals for assisting us where to go, definitely we would get lost, because it's like a big maze over here. But I know reaching this destination would be amazing. That's why we have been walking since the last 20 minutes. But people who can't walk could try to walk 20 minutes, but if you have a problem, it's okay. They have many centers over here. You can see some centers over here as well. They have like lodges as well for people to stay here, and this is like a very peaceful place to meditate, and a lot of greenery around, a lot of peace around over here. Lovely. So finally reached the destination, guys. This is the Maitri Mandir over here. It was like a kilometer, 2 kilometer walk from the Vision Center, and it's actually a very beautiful monument or structure over here. And beneath it or inside it, it's a meditating center as well. You can't go near the structure because there is some renovation work. You can see it's all dug up over here, and only workers are allowed to go nearby. And if you want to go inside, I think you have to stay in the hostel or like the guest houses around here. Very cool place, guys. Have a look around. So around Auroville, there are many spots where you can go, like for shopping, for cafes, for like good food, meditating centers, youth hostels. A lot to do. You can even rent cycles, you can rent scooters. Go around here, 20 square kilometers of all Auroville space. I will let you know about all the good cafes and about all the good boutiques where you can go. They have like different types of factories as well. Paper making factory. They have like soap making houses over here. It's a very unique place to come. I'll let you know everything in this vlog, guys, so for that stay tuned as well. We are going to eat some food in some cafe. I have found a very cool pizza place where I've heard you get very good wood fire pizzas as well. So let's head there. We have to go back now, and a lot more to tell you about this place. I will let you know around when I'm walking back to my car park. So let's go, guys. Just have a final look at this monument over here. Heading back. So guys, this mandir acts like a divine answer to man's aspirations, and it was built a couple of years back, and this full area is going to be surrounded by a lake which will act like a symbol for peace, and that was the vision of the founder over here. And there's even a barcode if you want to donate something to the people or like help people around here. You can give your offerings as well. And like the founder Mira Alfa, I hope I'm pronouncing it right, but she wanted to see gardens around this structure. Just have a look. You can see many gardens, but it's still in maintenance. But this structure is very beautiful, and you can see there's a lake. It is going to be surrounded by a lake on all sides, which is going to be very beautiful when people come here later. Wish I could come a couple of years later, but here I am just enjoying this place right now. One thing you should know about Auroville and Pondicherry, guys. So as I told you, it's the French capital of India. So everywhere you go, you see French writings as well. You see many tourists who speak in French. Everyone, even locals, some of them know French, and even people in restaurants know this language very fluently. And it's very surprising. I have learned French in school days. I'm not very fluent. I know what words mean by now, but I can't recite it like all the locals or like French people do. So even here, when you see there are French writings, everything is written in the local language, French language and English, which is how it is. So this lake will act like an isolating zone around this Maitri Mandir, and it's going to be 10 feet deep all around. Just right now also it looks very beautiful, and you see many tourists over here. This is actually like a viewing gallery right now, and I am sure like when you go a couple of years later, you can go nearby that structure as well. So let's head back, letting you all know more about this Auroville place and how people work, what money means over here, how they do everything. I'll let you all know in this vlog, guys, so stay tuned for more. So guys, in Auroville, paper currency doesn't work, and all the people who are working here, they are given certain bank account number which is directly connected to the central accounts, and all the visitors or all who come here have to get a debit card, or which is called an Auro card, so that they can use money over here. And it's like for a good cause, because people here work very hard, and whatever they earn, they have to give something back to the community and to this organization as well. A certain sum, I'm not sure what it is, but it's such a beautiful town that they have made. It's all nature, it's all very peaceful over here, and there are different zones, as I told you, to meditate, to sit, and you can get a lot of knowledge by staying here. And yeah, headed towards some of the shops over here, and let's eat something for a while. Let's go, and I'm going to tell you about all these shops which I know are very good over here. So let's head there. Lots of cafes inside, lot of boutique shops over here. I have a map here. I'm just seeing everything and exploring everything over here. There's a Dreamers Cafe over here. I'm going to show you. There's no cash payment over here, only card. There is a patisserie over there where you get desserts and cakes and some ice creams as well. Here you get burger, pizzas, and some parathas, some sandwiches. I have ordered a Middle Eastern sandwich, having it with cold coffee. Mom's in a boutique shop. Dad's having some paratha and sabzi. It's a fun day today, doing something we have never done before. It's cool, it's new. From this Dreamers Cafe, I am having a sandwich with hummus and some mustard. There's some paratha and sabzi over there, some cold coffee because it's too hot over here. Refreshing. So after leaving Auroville and just when you come outside, inside Auroville only, there's one pizza place called Tanto over there, which is very famous wood fire pizza, amazing. But for desserts, I think this place is the best, and all locals told me, I know this place called Bread and Chocolate is amazing. The desserts are amazing. I'm going in eating something good. I'm sure I'll get something amazing to have for my sweet tooth right now. Going inside, let's go guys. I took a brownie from inside. She suggested I have the croissant, but it was too big for me right now. I'm very full. I'm having this Cafe Noir praline chocolate. I finished it half. I love bitter chocolate. This is one of the best I've had. My dad doesn't like dark chocolate, but this is something to eat if you come here. For dark chocolate lovers, do try this. Good.